Stand in Tadasana. Have your big toes together. Spin your inner thighs towards the wall behind you. Relax the flesh of your buttocks. Now lengthen your chest away from your pelvis. Ascend the crown of your head. Keep that lift and openness in your chest. Bend your knees deeply and see if you can graze the fingertips to the floor. See if you can touch, bend and bend and bend. Now stay here. If there's pain in your knees, of course, don't bend quite as deep. Once you get down as deep as you can, shift your weight back into your heels. Now lower your chest towards your thighs. Take your arms alongside your ears. Raise your arms. Raise your arms. Now, descend the buttocks, descend your tailbone as you lift the pit of your abdomen. And Lauren, you can lift up a tiny bit more. Yeah, good. Descend your buttocks, lift the pit of your abdomen. As you exhale, fold over bent knees and then straighten your legs.